Hello, everybody. Hi, hello. How are you doing today? So finally, we have the next stream. Today we're gonna do some work because why not? So the start balance is $9,322. So we're starting as always, and we're working with Quotex for everyone who's watching the stream in the recording. Hello to you too. Hello to everyone who is already here. Celine, hello. Norden, hello. Tell me if you can see me and hear me clearly, and we will start working. So tell me if you see me, if you hear me, and I will start. Just send me a little plus. Hello, Alice. And funny girl. Hi. So, yes, Jennifer, thank you so much. You can see me, you can hear me. Let's start. So today, the Quotex has a couple of currency pairs with 90 payout. It's just two of them, actually. Euro GPY and USD GPY. So Euro GPY, we have a global downtrend, obviously. I should probably find an entry point somewhere, but I don't see it just yet. So we're moving on to next one, USD GPY. GP, oh, wow, same story. After this consolidation, we had like this really really obvious support level and resistance. Then the price broke through the support and it's dropping down. Have no idea how long it's gonna take it. And that basically means that we're moving on to something else because there is no points where we can see entry points. Euro GBP, we had a quite small like level. The price broke through it and went back to the previous level. What did we have in the past? What kind of level was that? So in general, it's kind of a weird level. It was moving downwards. We can actually put a little visual. But I don't see the point of, working according to it. Move. All right, yeah, that looks good. So, and this is our level, and it reached it right now. So, same picture again. Should we work with this level? I am not sure. It's not obvious just yet because the price could break through it or could react to it. So it's too early to decide. Next currency pair, Euro USD. Here the situation is not obvious, but for now I'm looking for everything. Tell me, how is your week right now? How did it start? And how was the last week? Because the last week you didn't really see me. You just saw me once, but the work was still happening. We had quite a good profit. What's going on right now? I don't see any obvious any obvious entry points because right now you see that all of the trends are quite similar. They are downtrends, and I have to look at currency pairs with low payout. So tell me about you. What do you see? If you find a good and interesting entry point, you can tell me that in the chat. I will go there and we will work with that. For now, we see that the price reacted to the same level, 84% payout, not optimal, but we can work with it. So we see the first high pick, the second one, and the price is actually going back to the same level. For now, we still need to wait for the price to grow a little more. Let's move on to something else. GBP AUD, 87% payout, and we have an aggressive uptrend. Where would be the entry point for this uptrend? Not really obvious. Again, price will probably go down to that level, previous one, and from there we can enter into a deal for an upward trend. Euro CAD, the price went to this level and it's been pushed downwards, so we have some sort of fight between sellers and buyers, but we're moving on from it because it's still not obvious. And right here, GBP CAD, not too bad. Give me 1 minute. So as you can see, we had the support level on the bottom from which the price reacted and it jumped upwards. You can see it clearly. But also we had the resistance level. From here, the price was dropping down, and here we had a breakthrough. Then the price went back and broke through it again. So right now, the price is at the level of resistance, so-called. And I'm not sure if we should enter into a deal for a downward trend, but if the price is going to rise right now, this is going to be a good entry point for an upward trend, but the payout is not really good. Going back to Euro CAD, no reversal here yet. But the price is being pushed downwards and Stochastic is actually almost ready to give us this signal. But we understand until the price is going to be closed in a red candlestick, we are waiting for the red one. So potentially that's going to be a good entry point for a downward trend. So again, GBP CAD, it feels like we can enter into a deal for an upward trend because the previous old level, I'm not really focusing on that because the price should go through it. But I don't like that the previous candlesticks have really big shadows, and while that level is not broken through, a bit too dangerous. And Stochastic is actually not giving us the signal, you know. Euro CD, the price doesn't really look that serious, really big bullish momentum. But yeah, I mean, the first deal takes a while, so let me look in the chat. For those who are new, when I'm looking in the chat, the Quotex freezes because I'm opening a different tab. So, what's going on? Deep tone is nice, all it's fine. Oh, thank you. Market's unavailable, so let me see if I can get you up some trades with Alice. Yeah, today is not the best day, you know, but we can work with that. This week my computer just broke. Oh, yeah, that's sad. I'm so sorry, Amar. You can try to work with your phone, but I'm not a big fan of doing that because, I don't know, uncomfortable. Inconvenient for me, it's hard to read the structure of the market. So, no entry point. The heck? The price is going upwards. We're not entering into a deal for an upward trend here, obviously. So going to GBP CAD. No obvious signal for an upward trend, so we're still waiting, Let's get started again from all the currency pairs. So here we had like a small pullback. Euro GPY, we can kind of look into this moment. Maybe we had some key levels. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, kind of. What the hell happened? Yeah, the market was closed. I'm always like surprised when I see that when the market was closed. It's like weird place. So going back to 1-minute time frame, and this is probably going to be the first deal for a downward trend for today. If the price pushes this level again, that would be perfect. And we're waiting for the double top right now on the currency pair Euro GPY. The deal is going to be for 3-minute expiration time and using $50 from the account. Obviously, we are working with this really aggressive downtrend. But look at this. The price is rising. I don't think the trend is going to be broken. I'm actually quite happy that the price is rising because probably we are going to be able to enter into a downtrend at a really good point. So right now the buyers are actually dominating and it's not really good. I want to see at least a little bit of pressure from the sellers. Any righty already. First deal of the day, Euro GPY 3-minute expiration time using $50 from the account for the downtrend, according to the downtrend. It's quite hard to find points of reversals. Right now we see that the price was kind of resisting, and from that highest push we are trying to enter into a deal. That's not the perfect place, not the perfect deal in terms of confirmation, but with such an aggressive trend that is not easy to find entry points. But for now we have 3 minutes and I'm going to the chat. Hello, Alice. How you doing? I'm doing okay. A little bit sick, of course. Of course I am. But I'm hoping that this week is gonna be much better than the previous one because we had only one stream and I got sick as hell. Your time in my room is different. Maybe show us your settings to see your time zone. You don't really need that because our time zone is going to be different if we are in different time zones. What you need to look at, you need to look, first of all, open the same chart. For example, your GPY, and you're looking at the last candlestick. You see a little timer. So in this case, 27 seconds until the next candlestick is going to be opened. And you need to open yours and see what timer you have on your screen. If like you have a difference in 5 seconds, it's fine. If the difference is like a minute and a half, then of course you shouldn't work with us at the same time. So yeah, that's what you need to do. What else do we have in the chat? Chat. Let me see. Read that one. Guys, please don't double the messages. I'm trying to read all of them, but I don't really have that much time all the time. Sometimes it takes me a while to read it, but don't spam the same message because you can be banned by the moderators. Why don't you check your higher time frame, like 5 to 15 minutes? We did that just now. What are you talking about? We looked at the bigger time frame to see if we had any key zones that may affect our deal right now. So like 2 minutes, 30 seconds ago, we looked at that. So we have 20 seconds left of this deal. We'll see if the price is going to break through this level as well. I don't think that we're going to get a really good support level here. So I believe that the price should go down. But the most important thing for us is that our deal is already closed in black. For those who are new, closed in black, meaning that we got the money. Closed in red, meaning that we lost the money. So the payouts they kind of got lower. But here, USD GPY 91%, we have an aggressive downtrend. Do not see any good entry points. Euro GBP, also good payout, 91%. What is that level? What did I do with that? I don't even remember. That's not a really reliable level. The price could reverse from it. Maybe from this point. Not sure. We should, if the price is not doing the reversal right now, then we're gonna get rid of that level. We're gonna read it. Anyways, what is going on? Is the price doing the reversal? Really, the first candlestick is not saying us anything. The second one shows us the momentum from the sellers. But obviously we have an uptrend and working against the trend. Do you know what? No. We also see that the price dropped, but it was pushed back up again. So, Nopey, stir. And we don't really have that many confirmation right now. So we will work only if the price is gonna rise after it passes this level. So for now, not working with it. So just waiting for something better. Next currency pair, USD. Quite an aggressive downtrend. And here we have a quite good reversal point, but still no obvious entry points because we still have the structure of a downtrend. This is our last swing high and this is our swing low. The price is somewhere in between them, so that means it can actually do the reversal and go lower. So that is not the break of structure right now. Waiting for something better, moving on to something else. Because, you know, the market is not a magical place, at least today. Sorry, I'm gonna be, when I'm coughing, I will try to turn off the mic because, oh, my cough is driving me crazy. So we have a pullback right here after the drop of the price. Another small one. In general, that doesn't look that bad. So let's risk it for the biscuit. GBP USD deal for a downward trend for 3 minutes using $50. So we see this downtrend. We see that at the end of that trend, we have an aggressive pullback. The price rose right there and then dropped drastically, then rose for 2 more candlesticks and dropped again. And from this candlestick, I'm opening a deal for a downward trend, hoping that our global downtrend will continue. And with this downtrend, we will close our deal in black. Going to the chat. Going to the chat. Hello, Alice. Ready to risk it for the biscuit? Yes. Yes, I am. I hope all of y'all are ready for that. Hi, Alice. I'm Ivan from Uganda, East Africa. Ooh, hey, hi, hello. How you doing? Relaxing. Hello, Alice. Hey, honey. You're late today. Usually at the beginning of the stream, you're already here, but you haven't missed anything. We don't really have that many entry points, and this is the second deal, and it's not working. Oh, shit. Hopefully it will do the reversal from this level again, but if it's gonna rise, I don't even know. It's not gonna be good. This deal is probably gonna be closed in riot. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shizzles. I don't really see the reasons for the price to rise. I guess just some big players are coming in and starting their game. Well, yeah, you're never safe from that, from things like that. Oh shit. It doesn't look bad. I don't want to look at that, you know. Oh, for fuck's sake. Let's move on to something else. First of all, changing the amount of money that I use is going to be $100, not 150. What the heck? All right, so $100. For fuck's sake. Well, I risked it. The biscuit didn't fucking work this time. Anywho, a similar situation, AUD/USD. I don't really know what's going on. Probably should look into like news or something. Should we write this fucking dragon that's flying high? But I want to do it on another currency pair where this movement just started. It is risky. It is risky, but what's not? It's too much, because, you know, the price action, I would probably enter into a deal for a downward trend. Ayy. So, our second deal is almost closed in red. So, Euro USD, the GBP USD is closed in red, meaning that we lost the money, which it is what it is. Euro USD, the closest interesting level to us is right here. Maybe the price will reach it, maybe not. Doesn't matter. We're moving on. Euro GBP. Not too many entry points today. The price actually is dropping, even though we had an uptrend. But the interesting thing, we have the previous swing low broken through. If the price is not going to do the reversal right now, it's going to be too dangerous to enter into a deal for the upward trend. But if it will, that's exactly what I'm going to do. And it's kind of doing it, but not really. Not good enough. It's not a bad entry point. So we're entering from the previous low, so let's freaking risk it for the biscuit. Who the fuck cares? Let's go. Or I don't know, Stochastic is not telling me to do it, but what we do on streams, we're fucking risking. We are risking on streams, and we're using the management that allows us to make mistakes, so it's okay. Euro GBP upward trend deal for 3 minutes using $100 from the account. We're looking at an uptrend and trying to catch the pullback. We see that the price was doing the turn on the level of the previous low. It's not a bad entry point, but we need more confirmation. We would have needed to wait for the next candlestick. We would need to wait for stochastic signal. But it's a stream. I like to risk it on streams. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm going back to the chat. Don't want to look what's happening. I have also some people to talk. I was busy. I want to tell you something. Tell me. Tell me, what is it? If you want to talk about it with everybody else present, you can leave the comment here or text me in the private message. Give me like 30, 40 minutes. I'll answer you. Tell me. Tell me what's up. You have my Telegram. Let's talk. Anywho, speaking of the stream, guys, you should probably like it, you know? You know? It's like, of course, I'm trying to joke about it, but it is actually really helpful because YouTube is pushing auto streams of bloggers. You probably noticed that. If you just put binary options in the search bar on YouTube, you will see that millions of bloggers have streams. At the moment, you open the stream, but it's actually just a fucking recorded video on the loop. They have like the music, you can see the video editing, so you can see that this is a fucking recording. No comment section, no nothing. But YouTube, just because they use like some sort of additional people coming, YouTube trying to recommend it. But me fucking streaming live is not being pushed for people to see. So what I was trying to say, if you're willing to help, guys, please like the streams, spam the hearts in the comments, because I would be really happy to grow our community, because it makes me really sad looking at streamers that kind of actually have just pre-recorded videos and but in any case, oh, I don't like what's going on. I don't like what's going on. The price is moving fine. Just please jump upwards. Don't be a bitch. Eh. What a bitch. 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 What a fucking bitch. So much cursing today. I need to stop. I'm sorry. Anywho, so for those who actually entered into the same deal a couple of seconds later than I did, you would be closed in black right now. Should we enter into another deal on the same currency pair? I mean, I'm not really upset because we risked it, and with price action, the situation didn't really change that much. We see that there is weird situation, but the price will do the reversal, and we will enter into that deal a bit later. Ooh, my chest hurts because I was coughing so bad. Anywho, USD GBY. So, with this aggressive downtrend, we actually have a pullback right now. Where it's gonna end, it's hard to say, but Stochastic is actually kind of showing us that it might happen quite soon, but we see a huge shadow on this candlestick, so bears are dominating the market, and it is too early. Too early. Euro GBP, we haven't looked at this point. And oh boy, we have head and shoulders pattern. those are the shoulders, the head in the middle, and if the price breaks through this level, and that would be finished head and shoulders pattern from which we need to enter into a deal for a downward trend. So if the price breaks through this level, which hopefully it will, we can obviously see the pattern on 1 minute time frames. It's not obvious all the time, but right now it can be read easily. This little dicklet, little one, the little teeny tiny. I mean, good size. What am I talking about? That's an average size, you know, average size. Anywho, let's try to find another entry point. We have an uptrend. The price dropped, and from that level it is trying to rise, and we have the previous resistance level, which can start working as a support level at this moment, but oh, I don't know, maybe later, because the amount of money that we're using is $200, and I want to be sure, you know. Anywho, so speaking of head and shoulders, we have a video about that on the channel, but I will tell you about it right now. We need the price to break through this pattern, so this level that kind of is somewhere right here, these two candlesticks, we need the next candlestick to be closed somewhere here, so be closed lower. That would be finished head and shoulders pattern, and it is not happening right now, unfortunately. So we need to wait. Use the GPY. I want to enter into a deal for a downward trend. And Stochastic also gives us the signal. Oh, lordy. I want to do that. But it feels like it's like a finished pullback, you know. And with the candlesticks, we actually see that it doesn't look that bad. We have the confirmation from Stochastic. We have confirmation from candlesticks. The price is kind of growing. Can it just like stop or rise a little bit? We need to look at this chart for quite a while. I'm really sorry we don't have that many deals today. What can I do about that? Yeah, all right, okay. I need to shut up and work. It's a little bit too late, but it is what it is. It's a-okay. So USD GPY 3-minute expiration time, $200 for a downward trend. I don't want to see what's going on, and I'm moving on. Oh. Now, I want to don't be shocked. Okay. What's going on? Relaxing. The hell? Like the stream, guys. Thank you, explored the world. Thank you, sweetheart. The smart and beauty at the same time. Oh my god, thank you. What are you talking about? Explored the world, like the stream, guys. Yes, thank you, guys. And for those, if you see that the count of likes is really low, it doesn't matter, just because sometimes it glitches out, and it is what it is. It's going to be seen after the stream is ended. Looking good, Alice. I hope you're talking about the deal. What is it? What is it? Yeah, I mean, it does. It does look good. You know what? Oh shit, what's going on? The second I fucking looked at it. Frick. Why? Why? I will read the rest of the comments. It's just the second I read that one, the second I saw that one, I wanted to look at the chart. What the fuck is going on? We see great situation with price action, and the Stochastic is also giving us the signal. You need to go lower. Sweetheart, am I supposed to be the bitch? Go lower. Go lower. By the way, guys, I'm getting ready for the new video. I'm gonna film it in a couple of days, and that one is gonna be about cryptocurrency. I'm gonna use all the strategies that I use here on binary options. I will apply them to the cryptocurrency work. What do you think about that? Do you work with cryptocurrency? If you trade with it, tell me. Is it day trading or like active trading, or you just invest in it, just buying it, and at some point the price is gonna rise? Tell me in the chat, what do you think about cryptocurrency? Because, I want to know if I'm making a good video or not, or no one cares about it. But for now, the price is a fucking bitch. What are you doing? Mm. Just look at the price action. Everything tells us that the price should drop, except for that one. Except for the last red candlestick, for fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. It's not a good day, not a good day. All right, okay. I'm still doing it. You know what? I'm still sure that the price is gonna drop. That's what I'm gonna do. Another deal. Oh, Jesus. I opened 2 deals in a row. Well, all right, okay. So we are working with $400, but that's why I'm not happy, because we have a little gap between them. Whoopsie, whoopsie doopsie. But yeah, work today is a bit hard, so I'm moving back to the chat because that fucking shit drives me crazy. I do day trading crypto sometimes. How's it going, Explore? How's it going? Do you like it? Are the results good? Like, tell me, what do you work with more? Cryptocurrency or binary option? Your nerves, probs over the roof. Yeah, I know. I know. Trade meme coins and cryptocurrency is good, but I do arbitrage of crypto. That means that you are buying on one market and selling it on another one. I'm correct? Am I correct? Tell me. Am I or am I not? And what the fuck is going on the chart? The fuck? If this is gonna be closed in red, I'm stopping the stream because this is some sort of fuckery. Someone told me at the beginning of the stream that the market today is not really good. I fucking agree with that. No reasons, like, let's look at this objectively. So, look at this downtrend, all right? Look at the fact that we do not have any base for the price to go upwards, but it's still fucking rising. I hope it's a double top and the price is still gonna drop, but this is bullshit. This is freaking bullshit. Do not like that. I have 50 seconds left. Drop. You know what? It doesn't make me nervous. You're not making me nervous. You're dancing around. That's your business, sweetheart. I still love you the way you are, so can you please listen to your mother and drop? Thank you. Can you drop even lower and stay there for like 30 seconds? 30 seconds, please. At least one of them. Girl, please. Oh my god. We have almost 10 seconds. Sweetheart, please stay there. No. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god, I can't. This is bitch. Right, okay, okay, we got this. For fuck's sake, at least one of them was closed in, plus the second one is in, like, we got the money back, which is fine. But looking at the chart in this moment, we see the fucking global trend. We see the double top. We need to open the deal for the downward trend. And the fact that we had 2 separate deals, Martingale is off. Martingale is off now. How am I supposed to do it now? I need another deal for $200. Ah, frick. Made a stupid mistake because one of the deals came back and one of them is closed in black. What did I say? So basically, the amount of money that I was supposed to get was supposed to be covering the losses and getting some profit, but just because We had two separate deals and one of them was closed in black. The second one just got the money back. We didn't get the profit and we did not even cover the losses. So my martingale is fucked. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's all right. Oh. Yeah, the price is not breaking through in this moment. Again, we see an aggressive fucking downtrend. We see that the price went downwards twice. We have a double top. So the price 100% should go down. And Stochastic gives us the signal. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck anymore. I don't care. If it's closed in red, fuck it. I'm stopping the stream. The situation is freaking obvious. I don't give a fuck. We have a pullback, we have two tops, and the signal from Stochastic. Fuck it. If this one is closed in red. Anywho, going to the chat. Fuck it. Don't want to see it going back to the chat. Hate Martingale. Well, yeah, I mean, you can love it, you can hate it, but it works. And it saves my ass so many times. Well, I mean, of course, Martingale is not the greatest thing ever because you're gonna be nervous as hell. But in my case, Martingale gives me the ability on the streams to have more room for mistakes. I can open more riskier deals, and when I'm streaming, that's one of the most important things because it gives me the opportunity to, I don't know, show you more because we have like around an hour. And of course, when I'm working by myself, I'm not opening as many deals as I'm opening on the stream, so I don't use Martingale that much. But on the streams, as you can see, as you can fucking see, I love risking. I'm interested in your techniques. Martingale, I will trade today, but already hit my monthly profit. Good job! Good for you! The end of the month? Like 4 days before it ended. Great job! It wipes account so fast. Yeah, I know. Martingale, of course, if you start losing money with Martingale, you're fucked. If you do not have a risk management strategy, a good one. Because if you lose too many of them, of course, you lose too much money. Too much. Coming in hot. Yeah, coming in hot. It's emotional roller coaster. That's why I'm doing more Forex. You know what? Forex can also be an emotional roller coaster. Can't say that word. I don't fucking know why. But you know what? In my experience in Forex, I was actually getting more nervous. That's just my experience. Because you're risking a bigger percentage. That's my experience, my opinion. But if you are working with Forex, not the way that we are working right now on the stream, like for example, not 5 deals in an hour, maybe like 2 deals in an hour, then of course Forex is going to be much better. So the fucking deal is closed in black. Yes, we did it. Yes, we got it. And we actually got a little bit of profit. Just a teeny, tiny bit, like $40 in profit. Feeling like a freaking loser. I would open another deal, like one more deal, because I still want to continue the stream. I want to continue working, but the fucking situation on the market, it feels like $40 is already a huge win. If we are not going to find any obvious entry points, then we won't continue. And while I'm doing that, you can actually leave your questions in the chat, and I can, like, you know, just sit down and talk to you. Just talk to you, because I don't freaking see any entry points. Upsetting. It feels like we can't kind of, with this fucking level, the press can do the reversal. Fuck that, no. So much cursing. Stop. Alice, what are you doing? Talking to myself, apparently. That's what I'm doing. Maybe if the price is going to do the reversal, we can see the uptrend here, and there was a resistance level and it was broken through, then the price jumped from the support level twice, and this is the third time, and it doesn't look that bad. Or not for a trend. Let's risk it for the biscuit. And this is probably going to be the last deal for today, or the, I don't know, if it's either the profit around $90 or the loss of $10. So this is going to be the end of the day, because not a lot of entry points. This situation doesn't look bad. Let me put you the visual, because you know what? We freaking have time for that. This is the level. Make it thick. Thick. Love the word thick. So, this is the level where the price touched it the second time. Almost touched it. If there would be a rectangle, not a line, you would understand it the correct way, because the level is not a fucking line. It's a whole thing, you know. So then we broke through this level, we had retested it twice, and this is the third time, and according to price action, it doesn't look that bad. So we have 2 minutes left, going back to the chat. Bye. Tell your mom hi for me. Bye. I'll just try to how I shoot market, but when I come to trade, I don't do. I get nervous. Take changes. Yeah, I know this is a common problem, you know, because you can know the theory like perfectly fine, but you cannot be theoretical trader. You need a lot of practice. Trading is, of course, it's like 90% practice. Theory is freaking important as hell. Without it, you can't do anything at all. But, you know, practice, practice, practice. You can also always use the demo account. Why not? Always try something on demo account, because that's a big problem. And one of other ways you can try is working on the amount of money that is not scaring you. As I said, first of all, demo account, but I understand that for me, for example, demo is not really helping, because I don't feel the fear of losing the money, because I know it's not real money. I'm not interested in process that much. Maybe because of that, I'm not analyzing well. The fuck are you doing, bitch? Stop. Thank you. Anywho, and what I was doing in the past, bitch. For example, I have an amount of money that I'm not scared to lose. I don't know, like $300. I know that I don't need this $300 for like my rent, for loans, I don't know, for food, anything. The fuck are you doing? 2 seconds left. I'm lost of words. Like the whole fucking time the deal was in black, and at the last 2 fucking seconds. Maybe I will open another one if it's gonna jump backwards, back again. So speaking of the fucking fear, I'm looking at it. I just want to enter into a deal at the best fucking place. If the price is at the lowest point, only at that moment the deal would be closed in black. Do we have any possibility of breakthrough? Of course we fucking do. It's always there. For fuck's sake, who cares? Fucking bitch. What was I saying? I was saying that, for example, I have $300. I know that I pay the rent, I have the food, I have everything. So globally, losing this $300, it's not gonna change my life, right? So that's the money that I'm not counting on, and it's not like saving me. Using this $300, I'm going to Quotex, and I am starting with $1 deals. So the whole amount of money you have is 300, and the percent of me using the money is really, really low, $1, right? So basically you're always interested because this is the profit that you're actually going to get. Even with $1, you can get like 15, 20, $30 in profit, which is why not? But at the same time, you're not going to be as nervous because it's just $1, $1, $2, and shit like that. So in situations where you get scared, use the lowest amount of money that you can actually lose. And I'm done with the explanation and, you know, because I'm just looking at the fucking chart like, what the fuck happened? If this situation is going to be the same, I'm done. I'm fucking done, and I'm even done right now because I'm going back to the chat. How to be happy when losing. You know. You know. If you lose the money and you're happy, there's something fucking wrong with you because you're not gonna be happy if you're losing. I just need to be fucking, I don't know, chill because losing money is a part of trading. Sometimes you lose the money, you cannot change it because even the like price action indicators or strategy, everything was perfect. But something happened on the market and the price did the reversal. The big player came into the game and everything changed. Sometimes that will happen. There is nothing you can do about that. I'm I'm done with this bullshit. So, the percentage of you losing money in situation like this one exists always. So, from my side, there is no mistake. Probably the only one mistake is that I continued. Should have stopped the second I opened the fucking market today. I should have just ended the stream. Just joking. But with all of the situations where you lose the money, you need to understand what was the problem. Was it an impulsive decision? The wrong reading of the market, the strategy is not working well with a certain currency pair. But, I'm not fucking happy right now, so it is definitely hard to be happy when you're losing, for fuck's sake. Mm. And my balance today is minus $100. I don't want to enter into one more deal. The market is not good today, but I feel like it's time to fucking end. If this one comes back, because I see an interesting situation. So this is a perfect situation. Let's look at the chart. Really, really slow uptrend. Right. The price is dancing around with the support and resistance. So in the moment of uptrend, we're finding the support level and we're entering into a deal. If this one is going to be closed in red, fuck it, I'm done. I said that multiple times today, but this is going to be the end. Yeah. So, obviously, it's not easy to stay happy when you lose the money. Maybe being Alice's husband and oh, she should take the. Yeah, I know. Tell me about that. Calm, Alice. No. But see, like in this situation, I understand that again, this is the stream, and I'm not losing that much money because even like $100, that's not that bad. I'm still having fun talking to you guys, but of course, when I'm talking about days like this all the time, I'm just gonna stop using Martingale, and we will just use $50 because obviously today I'm not planning to get too much or just a lot or just some money in profit. So basically in situations like that in future, I will spend more time with you in chat, like discussing shit and answering questions, just having fun and not fucking losing money. Bombastic Alice in comment. Today's a bad day. Yeah, I know. Shit happens. But objectively, this deal opened in a good place. I actually saw it even earlier, so this is not the best entry point. But yeah. Yeah, it is what it is, bitch. fuck me. What is going on? So at the end of the day, I feel like we're gonna lose $300, which is not that bad, you know. My poor nerves are more expensive. We see the situation. One question. Does everyone understand that we have the resistance zone right there, not right fucking here? Why is the price doing the reversal? That was a question that I'm never gonna get the answer to. Stop. Please stay. Please, please. That was just luck. I was trying not to scream because my neighbors are not gonna be happy, but I am stopping for today. So look at the fucking last deal, like the last fucking second. Fucking last seconds. Everything was going well, then the price fucking dropped. And we closed in the fucking plus with this like little fucking. Well, we got the money. I'm happy about that, but ooh, it was a fun stream today. But globally, I did everything correctly because the price is still rising. We got minimum profit. We have $60, which it is what it is. Bro, lucky as hell. Yeah, I know. I know. This is just luck, nothing else for sure. So this is going to be the end of the stream, and I wanted to look. Yeah, I'm still looking through the chat. So I didn't answer to only one message, but I think we can talk in private about that, because in my opinion, you know who I'm talking about. In my opinion, it changes absolutely nothing. In my opinion, nothing changes to me, but I will see you in the next stream. And if you have any questions, as always, you can text me on my Telegram, the link to which is going to be under each video on my channel. See you in the next one.